Welcome back to the new updates on YouTube policies. Now, shorts views are counted differently from March 31, 2025. These are the changes to shorts view count. Starting from the 1st April 2025, YouTube updates short views are counted. So, what is the new on YouTube policy? So, the views will count the number of time short starts to play or replay with no minimum watch time requirements. This update will give creator a more complete view of how their shorts videos are doing, especially when they share content on different platforms. So now even replays on short videos are counted to your channel, so to make it easy to meet YouTube Partner Program eligibility. And now shorts and revenue sharing, they will both be based on engaged views. So creator eligibility and earning will not change. Instead of that, they will increase.